A major recession is coming with major crashes and bear market in the US stock market, and then also crypto, of course, as well. Are you ready for this? Why am I talking about this? Isn't everyone saying there is a soft landing in the economy right now? Well, let's look at the facts. Many headlines are screaming soft landing, right? See, the number of searches online for soft landing is now at a new historical high. But guess when was the last time there was a historical high in the searches and headlines for soft landing? That's right, it was 2008, 2000, and soon followed by 2009 GFC global financial crisis crash. You see, there's still a lot of weakness in the US economy. See, half the US tenants can't even afford their rent anymore, right? We need to dig deeper beneath the surface and see what is really going on. Now, if you've been following me, I've been saying for quite a while now, one of the best indicators we could actually possibly look at is the US 2-year to 10-year Treasury yields, right? Usually the 10-year is higher, 2-year is lower. Makes sense because you're lending money for a lot longer period, right? But what happens is when that yield curve flips and 2 years higher, 10 years lower, and then that signals a recession is coming. You don't believe me? Here, I'll show you the chart of history. See, this is the chart of whenever the US 2 and 10-year flip and go negative or go below zero, right? The red part, right? And then a recession happens. These pink periods on the chart, the early 90s recession, right? The 1992 recession, the 2000 dot-com bubble burst recession, right? And the 2008-2009 GFC crash, and then even this one, the COVID crash, which was very short recession, even that, right, was predicted by this US 2 to 10-year flip. US 2-year and 10-year are getting very close to flipping back to the normal curve now. And the US 2-year and 30-year has already flipped back to normal. So that's another indicator that recession could be coming soon. You know, the most famous Reserve Bank chairman in history, Alan Greenspan, famously uses the FedEx Indicator. He would call up FedEx, right, who delivers all the parcels, right, for the United States, and he would ask them, what's your package volume right now, right? And he trusts in that more than the GDP numbers. Even though the GDP numbers looking good right now, right, what is FedEx doing? And what's UPS doing? What are these logistics companies are doing right now? They tell the truth about what's happening with the US economy. Well, UPS is now cutting 12,000 jobs, saying there's softer demand. And if this recession comes in the next few months, then of course stocks dive and go down into a big bear market. Crypto would follow, and so would property prices, right? I can't be 100% sure, so we need to watch out for all the signs. Follow Pablo